Good morning, it's Kathy again. It's Sunday, March 29th, 2020, and again, I'm a Canadian CPA, Chartered Professional Accountant in London, Ontario, Canada. And here is my update for today. So those of us who are following all these things and trying to update our clients, we're hoping for a quiet Sunday with no announcements that affect us and we have to share. Need to get a lot of work done today. So yesterday, didn't really have any new announcements other than here in Ontario, the provincial government announced they're going to be coming down really, really hard on businesses that are price gouging. So jacking up the prices on things like hand sanitizer, toilet paper, cleansing products. So that's a really good thing. We're all really happy to hear about that. So I hope they do follow through on that. I believe they will because Premier was looking pretty ticked off yesterday when he announced that. Okay, so just to recap, for individuals, I'm going to say this again. So if you are wanting to apply for EI or for the new CERB, Canadian Emergency Relief Response Benefit, a CERB, so these are the things that you need to get set up now if you don't have them yet. So for the CERB, CRA My Account, because that benefit is going to go through the CRA website. You need your username and password set up. For regular EI, you need your My Service Canada account set up. So not a bad idea if you're home on a Sunday, nothing else to do. Set up both of these for every adult in your family who's of a working age and whose income is being affected. Just do it and put your username and password in a safe place. Okay, that's that. Other thing, recapping, because I said this a couple times and then people say, I can't find it. Okay, this is a great resource, a plain language. That means really easy to understand instead of a bunch of legal terms. Plain language guide to federal benefits, support benefits for individuals for the situation that we're in right now. Go to Twitter. If you're not on Twitter yet, sign up. Dr. Jennifer Robson, she is a professor at Carleton University in Ottawa. And she and her colleagues have come up with a Google Doc. So it's like a chart and it's pinned, meaning it's at the top of her Twitter page. And so it's a really, really great resource, really great thing to look up when you're like, which thing do I apply for? What am I covered for? A couple of people have said, hey, I went to look for it and it wasn't there. So when there's a bunch of announcements, they take it down for a while and they work on it and they update it and then they put it back. So hopefully it's there today because there's no new announcements yesterday that came out. Okay, so share that information with other people. Okay, so that's about that. And in terms of business stuff, nothing new to announce. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. They're going to announce details of the new 75% wage subsidy. Previously we had a 10%. And so what we're looking forward to finding out is how you will get this subsidy. Will it be through your source deductions like the original one was proposed, or will it be a cash flow to you, a payment to you? Hard to say. I'm not going to make any predictions on that. The other thing that we're looking forward to hearing about is this new $40,000 loan that you may have read about. Again, I'm not going to make predictions on the details of that other than what we've heard is the businesses that apply, you're going to have to be a business of a certain size, and that'll probably be measured on your revenue, net income. Yeah, I'm not going to predict. Anyway, all I wanted to say about that is if you have a little hobby, sideline business, it's not really your main thing, your main source of income, you're probably not going to qualify for this. You're probably going to need to be a more established, well, not even more established, but just you're definitely going to have some track record of a significant amount of revenue and or expenses. We're going to find out what those qualifying numbers are tomorrow. And the other thing that we do know, you're going to have to prove that your sales your revenue billings have decreased significantly during this period because of the situation that's going on. So I think we all know that there are certain businesses that are booming right now, absolutely booming, and you can probably name them. Certain ones are just really busy. And for a business like mine, so an accounting practice, everything's we're considered essential in Ontario, so we're carrying on just with different procedures. but my billings have not gone down. So I'm just carrying on. My billings are the same as they were last year. Actually, they're a little bit higher, but anyway, they haven't decreased. Maybe they'll decrease in the summer if people decide they don't want to pay for accounting services. I don't know, but certain businesses, if your revenue and billings haven't changed, you're probably not going to qualify for this $40,000 loan. Anyway, details will come out tomorrow. That's all I had to say for today, and yeah, that's about it. Have a good day, and yeah, tomorrow's going to be a big day with announcements for businesses. Thanks. Bye.